This is my story, and I'm not done yet. I'm Kirk Bonnard, and the Philippines is ready for the world.
Safari time, safari with the boys. Ladies and gentlemen, we've never been on our...
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Pambato ng Pilipinas sa Mr. World 2024, na si Kirk Bondad, ipinakita ang isa sa naging aktibidad nila ngayong araw. Kasama ang iba pang kandidato sa Mr. World, ay pinasyalan ng mga ito ang isa sa tourist spot ng Vietnam. Samantala, ipinakita ni Kirk ang isang video ng kanyang introduction na naglalaman ng mga personal na aspeto ng kanyang buhay. Sa video, ibinahagi niya ang kanyang pinagmulan, ang mayamang kultura ng mga Igorot na siyang kanyang kinalakihan, pati na rin ang mga sport na kinahihiligan niya. Bukod dito, ipinahayag din niya ang mga layunin at adhikain na nais niyang iparating sa Mr. World, kung saan siya kasalukuyang lumalahok. Ang video ay isang makulay na paglalakbay sa kanyang buhay at isang pagpapakita ng kanyang pagpapahalaga sa kanyang kultura at mga prinsipyo.
Boxing isn't just a sport to me.
It's like
It's the fighter I've seen so far.
It's my discipline. My way to stay grounded and focused. I had the privilege of fighting for something bigger than myself. At the Black Tie Black Eye Gala, I fought to raise funds for the Berlani Foundation, helping children in need. Helping these children reminded me of how much we can achieve when we combine strength with compassion. It's about giving back to the community and building a better future for them. Born in Germany, my mother instilled a strong sense of Filipino pride. She taught me the values of family, humility, and pride for our culture. My Cordillera roots and Igorot heritage are a big part of who I am. They ground me in strength, resilience, and the values that guide me forward. As a brand endorser, influencer, and businessman with a background in sports science and marketing, I aim to inspire people to reach their potential and live a confident, balanced life. Fighting is more than just about winning. It's about using our strength to make a difference. I strive to fight for those who need it most, for the next generation and the communities I stand for. This is my story, and I'm not done yet. I'm Kirk Bonnard, and the Philippines is ready for the world.
Safari time, safari with the boys. Ladies and gentlemen, we've never been on our...